In this lesson, we'll explore how AI Cloud's AutoML makes it easy to build machine learning models. Using the Sonar dataset, we'll walk through selecting data, defining a prediction target, choosing input features, and automatically training models. This hands-on demo will help us build confidence in using AutoAI for streamlined model development. We'll be using an existing project that includes the Sonar dataset. Let's begin by clicking on New, then choosing AutoAI. We then select the Sonar dataset and click Next. From the available tasks, we'll choose Auto Machine Learning. This brings up a brief description of AutoML should you want more information. In our case, we'll continue with our selection. We'll give the workflow a meaningful name, like Sonar AutoML Demo, and click OK. That's it. We've successfully initialized our AutoML workflow. Next, we'll configure it for training. We'll define the target variable, the column we want our model to predict. The type of the target variable determines the class of model to be used. For instance, a binomial classification model is suited for two categories. A multi-class classification model is used for multiple categories, and a regression model is appropriate for continuous values. On the Selector Target screen, we choose the class column. This tells AutoML that we're trying to classify Sonar signals. Defining the target variable sets the foundation for everything that follows. It tells the platform whether we're dealing with classification, predicting categories, or regression, predicting numerical values. We can also modify the gains and cost settings to assign different weights to predictions reflecting their business impact. But we don't need to do that for now. Once we're set, we click Next. With the target column selected, it's time to refine the input features for model training. AI Cloud automatically tags each feature based on data quality. Green for good quality, yellow indicates it may need a review, and red signals poor quality. We'll review the list of features and remove any columns that are irrelevant, highly redundant, or have too many missing values. This step ensures we train our model on only the most meaningful data, improving accuracy and reducing complexity. In our case, we'll go with the default selection recommended by AI Cloud and click Next to proceed. Now we'll choose the modeling strategy that fits our current needs. AutoML offers different approaches depending on our priorities: interpretability, speed, or accuracy. For this lesson, let's use the quick prototyping option, which is optimized for fast training and testing, allowing us to quickly evaluate model performance. Next, we click Run Auto Modeling to start the training process. After the training is complete, we'll compare the models and choose the best fit for our needs. In the comparison table, we can review each model's performance across metrics like accuracy, classification error, precision, and recall. We can click on any model to view details on the model performance metrics, model evaluation, model insights, and model visualization. The model simulator shows us how the output of a model changes with varying inputs. To try that out, we first save our results. With this tool, we can view predictions and confidences as we vary the inputs. By analyzing the results for each model, we can determine which one best fits our use case. We can then decide whether to deploy it or continue refining. To wrap things up, let's quickly review what we accomplished in this lesson. We launched an AutoML workflow using the Sonar dataset. We defined our target variable for prediction. We refined input features. And we trained multiple models using AutoML. As we've seen, AutoML truly streamlines machine learning, helping us build high-performing models faster and with less complexity.